This April, we visited beautiful Nepal, a land where nature, culture, and humanity blend in the most heartfelt way. Our journey began in Kathmandu, where we boarded a domestic flight heading westward. As the aircraft soared above the clouds, the breathtaking panorama of the Himalayas unfolded before us, endless rows of snow-capped peaks glowing in sunlight, reminding us of nature's purity and grandeur. Upon landing in Nepalganj, we were warmly welcomed by Principal Hement Rajkafil and his wife Mayagiri. Their genuine smiles and humble hospitality made us feel instantly at home. We soon immersed ourselves in local life, riding traditional auto, an eco-friendly vehicle through lively streets and narrow alleys. The vibrant surroundings, filled with local vendors, colorful shops, and friendly faces, offered us a deep connection to the community's culture and daily life. The next morning marked the beginning of meaningful action. Principal Hement guided us to a bustling street market where he passionately introduced the nutritional and medicinal value of Moringa. With great enthusiasm, he distributed free Moringa seedlings, each nurtured by his own hands. It was inspiring to see people listen, with curiosity and hope, accepting these small plants that promise better health and sustainable living. Our journey continued into the nearby countryside, including Naranapur village and other underserved communities. There we promoted Moringa cultivation techniques and shared simple, practical ways to include it in daily diets. From cooking Moringa leaves to preparing healthy drinks, every interaction was purposeful. These efforts were not just about agriculture. They empowered people with knowledge, encouraged self-reliance, and nurtured a culture of health and environmental awareness. We were honored to attend the farewell ceremony at GVN College. Hement delivered a heartfelt message encouraging students to become ambassadors of change and promote health, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. His words deeply inspired the young graduates, planting seeds of awareness for the future. In the afternoon, we visited West Zone Secondary School where he teaches. Beyond English lessons, he shares knowledge about Moringa, inspiring students to become advocates for a healthier world. We visited his own school, British English boarding school, and taught them about CPR. We also visited the school where Maya works, continuing our awareness efforts. Teachers, especially women, showed strong interest in the skincare and wellness benefits of Moringa oil. Our activities extended to other local schools, where we demonstrated pruning and propagation techniques. These hands-on sessions ensured communities could grow Moringa themselves. Local media coverage helped amplify the message further. Principal Hement's story is deeply personal. At 14, he suffered from liver disease, but through consistent Moringa consumption, he regained his health.
They told me the liver cirrhosis is needed. We must cut downside of black spot of liver, and it will automatically you will be recovered.
For over 20 years, he has continued this practice.
If I promote Moringa and give free to the people, me myself I am survived by this tree, means why I will not survive to others? For that, I start my journey.
Inspired by his journey, he and his family have planted more than 60,000 Moringa trees across Nepal and 15,000 Moringa trees in Nepalganj city. Each tree represents hope, resilience, and a healthier future.
Back and we can use any instrument which
his vision is clear, to bring this gift from heaven into every household. His work goes beyond planting trees. It is about inspiring communities and building a sustainable future.
In 7 days, slowly, gradually.
We are deeply grateful to Hement and his family. Principal Hement and Moringa for Love share a mission to combat malnutrition, fight disease, and create a greener world. May this small seedling grow strong and transform lives, one leaf at a time.